Okay, welcome everyone. So I know quite a few have got the new Spike but haven't got connected properly. So let's go through a starting session with the Spike, and I'll show you step by step how you actually can connect to a laptop like this. That you can see from this screen here. So I've got a pretty basic laptop running the Spike software that you can see already. Okay, so the first thing you do is when you open up the Spike, you just click on Home, and you should see this interface. Okay, so it will show you basically the starting Spike interface. So what I want you to do to test out how you're going to connect the Spike Smart Hub to the laptop is clicking on the Start menu. So once you click on Start menu, that has one, two, three steps. Okay, so I would do the first step with you. Sorry, I would do the first step with you together, and so you know exactly what you do. Okay, you can watch me follow the step by step. Now I've got a Spike and already built with a model, so I'm not gonna disassemble that. So at your home when you get started, you might just have the Spike hub, which is the exact same way of connecting. So one thing to notice is you have a little USB, micro USB connector in the Spike. In the box, you should have a white cable like this. One side has a micro USB connector, the other side has a normal standard USB connector. So this side will go into the Spike Smart Hub, and this one will go into the computer. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm gonna press start here. So Lego actually made it pretty friendly. You can actually go through step by step. So this will be, you can see from the screen, it's showing you as the Smart Hub. So you can click next in here. It will show you to install the battery. So I'm not going to do that. So if you're following the screen, just look at exactly what the screen telling you to do to install the battery inside the Smart Hub. So next step, okay, so now this is time to connect to a hub. So I press this flashing amber circle, so it will get you to the connect hub. The first step is to install the micro USB cable into the hub, and once I've done that, I can install the USB connector into the computer. So if you look at this computer has a standard USB-A connector. So if you don't have this type of connection, you might need to use a dongle. But this will be available to a lot of the older version of computers. And so let's do it. So you can then connect that into here. Okay. So what you notice is the Spike Smart Hub will start up automatically. So it will straight away to show a green light showing on the screen, as well as the love heart on the Spike Smart Hub itself. So that means you are connected. You can see from the screen here that actually shows you have the sensor you have connected to and the motor you have connected to on which port. CDE stands for the port. So let's do a little program. Just follow the instruction in here. So I'm going to just click on that one. So I get that. And then I'm going to drag that next to it. Okay. Then I'm going to drag the playbeat song. So once I've done all of this, I can press this yellow button in the corner, say click to play. And what you notice is the Spike Smart Hub panel has changed. It's actually display a lovely smiley face in here. So that's pretty much how you can first get connected. Now something bear in mind that if you are connecting the Smart Hub to the computer for the very first time, there might be a prompt for you to update the software on the Smart Hub. You just follow the on-screen connections, then you'll be okay. And then you pretty much will have exactly what you can see from this video. Okay, so hopefully this helped you to get started and set up with your Spike Smart Hub. Next video, I'm gonna show you how to do that through the Bluetooth connection. Okay, so see you next one.